Most people think you need some genius idea or massive capital to make real money. You don't. You just need to stop chasing trends and start solving boring problems that people pay premium prices to fix. I'm Joshua T. Osborne, also known as Mr. Money From. Why? Because I show people how to make money from simple businesses that are so profitable. You'll wonder why you've been overthinking everything else. These aren't the businesses everybody's copying on YouTube. These are the ones quietly printing money. Before we dive in, business number one is making people $15,000 per installation, and customers are literally thanking them for never having to mow their lawn ever again. I'll show you why this is the smartest play on the list in just a few minutes. Here's what shocked me when I started digging into local service data. The businesses making the most money aren't the ones with flashy marketing. They're solving problems people can't ignore. According to the IBIS World, guys, the service industry grew 4.2% in 2024 alone, but specific niches are growing at 15 to 25% annually because nobody's paying attention. While everybody's chasing saturated markets, watching some fuck do drop shipping tutorials, there are service businesses with almost zero competition making serious money. High demand, low supply, and business owners too busy to get more customers. Most people miss these opportunities because they're not sexy enough for Instagram. But I'll take boring and profitable over trendy and broke every time. Every business I'm about to show you guys needs customers, and most of them suck at getting them. That's why I stopped doing physical service work and started building digital assets that generate leads instead. I've built a portfolio bringing in over $41,000 per month. My students are making $2,000 to $6,000 a month. No trucks, no tools, no trading time for money. Click the link in the description. I'll show you the exact digital leasing strategy working for thousands of my students. These businesses will gladly pay you monthly for qualified leads. All right, let me break down these 5 businesses, starting from the worst and building to the best opportunities. Business number 5, mobile windshield repair. Starting at number 5, mobile windshield repair for commercial fleets, right? Not individual car owners. Fleets with like 10 to 50 vehicles needing regular maintenance. Now, here's why this works. Delivery companies, construction firms, sales teams, guys, these fleets accumulate rock chips just consistently, right? And fleet managers need mobile services that come to their lot. There are over 5 million commercial fleet vehicles in the USA alone. Let's talk numbers though. Average repair for this, guys, runs $75 to $150 per vehicle. And repairs, they take 20 to 30 minutes. So you can service like 8 to 12 vehicles daily, generating $600 to $1,800 a day. And here's what you need. Startup costs, guys, are minimal, okay? Repair kits run you only $1,500 to $3,000. So you're in business for under $5,000. So here's where it gets interesting. The real money is fleet contracts. You service entire fleets on schedule, right? Fleet managers search mobile windshield repair, looking for convenience, not cheap prices, okay? You literally are making money from fixing windshields while the contractors are in their office working. Business number 4, mobile RV detailing. Number 4, mobile RV detailing. There are 11.2 million RV owners in the US, and most guys hate cleaning their massive vehicles, okay? Now, here's the thing. An RV is a house on wheels. After camping, there's dirt, right? There's bugs, there's holding tank odor, right? Everywhere throughout the freaking RV. And most owners would rather pay somebody than spend a weekend scrubbing holding tanks or getting bug guts out, right? And honestly, I don't blame them. That's a fuck no job if I've ever seen one. Here's why RV owners pay premiums. RVs are too big for regular car washes. They need specialized mobile services. But let's talk for a minute about the money. Average detailing, guys, runs $300 to $800. Full sanitization adds $200 to $400. You can complete 2 to 3 RVs every single day, generating $1,000 to $2,400. Searches are consistent, right? RV detailing near me, mobile RV wash, year-round demand with spring and fall spikes every single year. And here's what it costs to start, okay? Startup cost run $3,000 to $6,000 for the equipment. RV owners are higher income individuals who value their time, right? So they want quality, not bargain prices. So making money from cleaning RVs? Absolutely. And these customers are grateful somebody else is doing the dirty work for them. Business number 3, commercial Christmas light installation. Number 3, commercial Christmas light installation. Not homes, commercial properties, guys. Think shopping centers, office buildings. Now, here's what most people don't understand. Businesses start planning in July and August, right? Not December. They need contracts signed months ahead, guys, because this is a marketing investment, right? Here's the scale. Businesses spend over $6 billion annually on holiday decorations. Shopping centers spend $50,000 to $500,000 on displays. Let's talk contracts for a minute. The average contract runs $3,000 to $15,000. Large centers hit $50,000 to $100,000. So here's how this works. You install in November, right? Maintain it through January, then remove and store it for them, right? One contract generates $3,000 to $15,000 for just 3 months. And searches, they spike hard, right? Commercial Christmas light installation, business holiday lighting, right? And the truth is, property managers, they start searching all the way back in the summer. And here's your investment as well. Startup costs run $5,000 to $15,000 for commercial lights and equipment. Competition is light because residential installers, guys, don't understand commercial requirements. Here's where it gets interesting, though. You land 5 to 10 accounts, you've built a business generating you $30,000 to $100,000 annually. You're making money from holiday lights, guys, while everybody else is fighting over residential jobs. Business number 2. Boat detailing and winterization. Number 2, boat detailing and winterization. There are 12.1 million registered boats, okay? All these guys need regular detailing, and most need winterization as well. Now, here's why boat owners pay premium prices. Because boat owners spend $30,000 to $300,000 on their vessel. They want someone who understands marine detailing, right? But let's talk pricing for a minute. The average detail runs $15 to $25 per square foot. A 30-foot boat generates $450 to $750. Winterization adds another $200 to $500. You can service 2 to 3 boats every single day. And here's the multiplier effect. Boat owners often own multiple toys, right? Land one client, you've landed their entire fleet. Searches, guys, are seasonal, but they're intense when they happen, right? Searches like boat detailing near me, winterization services, because boat owners search before winter storage and spring launch times, right? So what does it cost to start? Well, startup costs run $3,000 to $8,000 for marine products and equipment, right? Near marinas or lakes, you've got captive markets, right? So build marina relationships, right? Referrals kind of start to flow into you constantly. And now you're making money from boat detailing. So you're serving customers who already prove they spend serious money on their hobbies, right? Business number 1, artificial turf installation. Number 1, the best opportunity, guys. Artificial turf installation and maintenance, right? This market is exploding because of water restrictions and homeowners done with lawn maintenance, right? Now, here's why this is massive. The artificial turf market hit $3.7 billion in 2024, growing 14% annually. California, Arizona, Nevada, Texas, right? They all lead the adoption because water costs keep rising in those areas. But let's talk installation money real quick. Installation contracts run $5,000 to $15,000 for a residential job. But commercial properties, they'll run $20,000 to $100,000. So you're making $10,000 per installation, right? But here's where it gets even better. After installation, customers need annual maintenance. So brushing, infill replacement, cleaning, right? That's another $100 to $300 per visit multiple times a year. You install once and you create this reoccurring revenue. Searches, guys, for this are massive, right? Artificial turf installation, fake grass installation, and the search volume is constant. It's year round with spring spikes, right? So, what's the investment, you might be asking yourself? Well, startup costs run $10,000 to $25,000 for tools and equipment. Material cost is going to run you $2 to $8 per square foot, but you charge $10 to $20 to install it. Here's what customers love. You're replacing a dead lawn requiring weekly maintenance with a surface that looks perfect year-round for them. Customers, they become grateful that you've given them hours back, right? And here's why this is future-proof. The market is exploding, guys. Water isn't getting cheaper. Droughts aren't going away. Every trend favors turf adoption acceleration, right? You're making money from artificial turf while homeowners are celebrating never mowing their lawn again. Notice the pattern here? They're solving problems for people who've decided they need help. They're searching with intent. Fleet managers need windshields fixed, right? RV owners need cleaning. Businesses need holiday displays. Boat owners, guys, need winterization. Homeowners are done with their lawn maintenance. Now, here's what this means. These searches represent people ready to buy. That's capturing demand that already exists. And here's the opportunity. Most operators are terrible at showing up online. They're skilled at the work, but clueless about ranking on Google when customers are desperately searching. And that's exactly why they're going to pay you to fix it, because they sure as fuck aren't figuring it out for themselves. Every one of these businesses works, from windshield repair generating $600 to $1,800 daily, to turf installations hitting $15,000 per project. But they share one limitation, guys. You're trading time for money. You can only install so much turf or detail so many RVs in a week, right? That's why I shifted to building digital assets serving these industries. Contractors are great at their trade, but terrible at getting found online. So here's what that looks like. I've scaled this to over $41,000 per month building lead generation sites. My students make $2,000 to $6,000 monthly. No physical labor, no equipment maintenance. You build the website once, rank it on Google, collect monthly payments from providers needing customers. Your digital assets working while you sleep. So here's what you need to do next. Click the link and watch the free training. I'm going to show you how to build these properties and connect with businesses desperately needing leads. Whether you're making money from doing the service work yourself or building digital assets that serve these industries. The opportunity is right in front of you, guys. These 5 businesses aren't going anywhere. Fleets need windshield repairs, right? RV sales, guys, is breaking records right now. Businesses, they obviously want holiday displays. And boat ownership, it's only growing, right? And then turf. Turf, guys, turf is being adopted and it's accelerating every single day. The question isn't whether opportunity exists, it's how you'll position yourself to capture it. So stop overthinking. Let's build something that lasts.